Controlled mechanical ventilation systems are now an essential feature of modern residential buildings, as stringent construction regulations mean that new builds and modernized existing properties are essentially hermetically sealed units without natural air exchange. Fresh air and an optimum indoor environment are reliably assured with a controlled mechanical ventilation system from Viessmann. In addition to the ventilation system itself, the air distribution system plays a key role. This is why Viessmann has developed the new Vitoair, an advanced and especially versatile ventilation duct system that equips you to meet every requirement in a new build or modernization project. There is an obvious benefit to the new symmetrical flat duct. Quick and easy routing reduces the installation effort and really saves time on site. Regardless of whether the ductwork is rooted in the insulation layer inside the floor construction, in a wall, or in a suspended ceiling, the high degree of flexibility greatly facilitates every step from the design of the ventilation system to its installation. Even in tight situations, Vitoair can manage the kinds of bends that conclusively defeat other systems. When particularly small bending radii are needed, intermediate pieces with a click-and-go mechanism form the necessary connection. And you don't have to compromise on the quality of the ducts either, but can totally rely on their stability and durability. The especially smooth internal wall of the ducts has an antistatic and antibacterial coating, making it ideal for allergy sufferers as well. Wherever appropriate, you can quickly and effortlessly switch from flat to round ducts, or vice versa, of course, thanks to suitable adapters designed to link both types perfectly. You can choose the best type of duct for your situation and save time and money through the ideally matched combination. All components are optimized for flow efficiency. Accordingly, a tight bend or the transition to another cross-section does not increase the system's noise level or impair its energy efficiency or performance. Even in installations with very challenging requirements, with Viessmann Vitoair, you also have the right connection piece. The meter markings make it easier to quickly determine the right length for both round and flat ducts, and the ducts can be precisely and simply twisted with a new cutting tool. Precision and simplicity are also the watchwords for the secure connections of the individual duct elements. Click and go. The name of the mechanism says it all. Push the profiles together, check the connection via the viewing window, and move on to the next piece. And the click also tells you that everything is a true fit. After all, every part comes with an integral gasket that has been fitted at the factory, saving you laborious manual work. The gasket is firmly seated in the profile and cannot be lost. Durability is a must when it comes to ventilation ducts. Therefore, you can be sure that only high-quality materials are used in the Viessmann Vitoair, and this also holds for the fixing brackets. Everything fits. The brackets are securely engaged in the intended recess and ensure strong connections. Acquiring missing gaskets and performing additional work on non-airtight connecting ducts are now a thing of the past. This innovative connection technology from Viessmann makes installation on-site easier and faster, while the color coding allows you to see at a glance if a connection isn't right. Once the gasket has disappeared entirely into the profile, the click and the color coding visible in the viewing window tell you that a perfect fit has been achieved. In the Viessmann Vitoair, establishing a secure connection is just one side of the equation. The individual parts can also be easily separated again at any time, on-site, quickly and without tools. Whatever kind of ventilation installation awaits you, with Vitoair you have the right ventilation ducts, all connection pieces to hand. For many different applications and the highest degree of flexibility in new build and modernization projects. Discover for yourself the benefits of Vitoair air distribution system. With its standardized, flow-optimized design concept, its exemplary flexibility, and the click that signals secure, fast installation. Naturally, from Viessmann.